Well, Gillette Energy Park is a rather fascinating little collection of vintage or even antique energy production equipment located in Campbell County, Wyoming, just outside of the city of Gillette. It's next door to the Camplex Event Center. There's some really fascinating stuff here, like this antique train engine. We've been here a few times and looked around. We even recorded a live stream partially from this little energy park last year in 2022. But today we were getting some drone footage of the National High School Finals Rodeo, the 75th annual, at the Camplex Event Center next door. And I thought, hey, we had the drone. Why not get some drone footage of some of this interesting equipment? We didn't capture all of the equipment because there were some people coming and going, and so we had to be respectful of other people, not be flying over people or anything. So we captured what we could, but I hope you enjoy this aerial tour of the Gillette Energy Park here in Campbell County, Wyoming.